want to zoom in on a web page or photo, you can easily do those things, and we will show you different ways on how to do that. So firstly, you can use your keyboard. Just open the application or page you want to zoom in, then press Ctrl and the plus sign all together to zoom in on a page for a closer look. Another method is by using your keyboard and mouse. Simply open any page or application you want to zoom in, hold Ctrl on your keyboard, then scroll up on your mouse wheel to zoom in. But if those methods did not work, you may also use a magnifier. Just press the Windows key and the plus sign all together to activate the magnifying feature on Windows. And once open, simply click on the plus sign to zoom in or magnify the entire screen. Alternatively, if you're using a browser, you can magnify or zoom in by clicking More Options. Then click the plus sign to zoom in and choose your magnification level depending on your choice. So those are the different methods on how to zoom in on text or images on the Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.